Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, the best place for makeup and skincare. So in this video I'm going to show you this classic black smoky eye look, and I think this is a classic smoky eye look everyone's love to watch and everyone loves to do. So yes, I have tried a little bit of it. I hope you guys like it, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Without making it a long intro, let's jump into the video.